Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. This is a unique video. It's a re-unboxing. So the main item I've already unboxed and I've shown in my channel as well as my Instagram feed. I featured it a few times. It was a special item that I picked up from a New York event from Tiffany, but then they were able to create something custom for me that complements it. And so the item is wrapped up again. If you saw if you follow me on Instagram, I already posted about it in my story. And you'll probably see a few more pictures of it too. So I think that might give you a clue of what the item is. The item in the box is the bird on the rock that I have unboxed. But this time what's different is the actual box that goes over it. This is a custom display case that was handmade by Tiffany, especially for this piece. What I was told was this is the first time they did something specifically like this for this piece, the bird on the rock. Before I had the bird on the rock in this display case, I just kept it in its jewelry box, so it's pretty much was out of sight. But now with this, it's definitely gonna be on display. And you basically can just lift up the glass display, and then you have the bird on the rock that's resting on a cushion. And I have more details of the bird on a rock in my other video. I have more close-ups, and I also show you how it looks like on, especially wearing it as a lapel pin, which is pretty much how I would use it. You could also pin it on your chest pocket. And the nice thing about this is it pretty much looks like it's just sitting on the pillow. It's secured by a pin on the bottom. And that just allows it to be propped up like this. And now I'm just kind of showing you with lower light how the piece sparkles if you have it under spotlighting. And that's my unboxing or re-unboxing of this. This is really cool. You can tell that it's handmade. It has miter joints. It's made from wood that's, I think, been painted black. And then these are glass panels, which you can see from the reflection. So you can get a full 360-degree view of it. And in terms of displaying it, I'm probably going to keep it next to my Patek Philippe, which I got from Tiffany. I do have the unboxing of that, and I'll have a detailed video if it's not already up. And they're kind of both matching because it's glass. They both have glass and black hardware. I mean, one is painted wood, and then the other one I think is coated steel or in aluminum. But this is how I plan to position them. Both are, for me, pretty big purchases from Tiffany. These are really exceptional pieces from Tiffany that I was able to get by working with my sales associate there. So this especially is really cool, this case, really excited to display it. And that's gonna be my video for today. Subscribe for more videos and check me out on Instagram for the latest updates as well as exclusive content. I'm definitely gonna post more pictures of this bird on a rock in the box, or you can call it like a cage as well. And I'll probably post it along with this watch as a pair. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.